Hello everyone, I'm Richard with Osa Tropical Properties and welcome to my new listing in Phase 11. From this building site, we have a beautiful whitewater ocean view as well as the expansive mountain view behind us. This is a perfect property to build your house, catching these beautiful views along with the air that comes in off the ocean all day and then reverses and comes down from the mountain in the evenings, leaving your house nice and fresh all day long. Here we are going to be dealing with raw land. The plantel is going to be about where I'm standing right now. When we get all of this cut down on one level, we are going to have a very big building site and a lot of room to use. Water and electric is already here at the property, so once you have a plan and a permit, you're ready to build. Phase 11 already has several showcase homes. There are several full-time owners here as well as a few rental houses. The rental houses do very well because of the great ocean and mountain views as well as the proximity to all of the beaches and restaurants that Ojochal is famous for. Thank you everyone for tuning in. If you have any questions about this property or want to talk about like properties, please click on the link below.